In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a user group in Atlassian Confluence. Groups are a powerful way to manage access and keep your workspace organized. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a group, add the right people, and assign the correct permissions so everyone has what they need and nothing they don't. Start by opening Confluence or your Atlassian admin settings. If you have access to Atlassian's organization level admin, you can work from there. If not, opening Confluence and using its built-in administration area works just fine. The goal is simply to reach the place where users and groups are managed. Next, navigate to the area labeled Directory, User Management, or Groups. The exact name can vary slightly depending on your plan and interface updates, but you're looking for the section that lists users and groups. If you see a tab or sidebar option called Groups, that's usually the quickest path. Once you're in the right place, click Create Group. This opens a simple form where you'll define the new group. Keep an eye out for any prompts about product context or where the group will live. You'll handle permissions shortly, but it helps to be aware of the scope as you create it. Enter the group name. Choose something clear and descriptive so admins instantly understand its purpose, like indicating a team, department, or role. Avoid special characters that might cause confusion, and consider a naming pattern you can reuse later to keep your admin area tidy. Now, add users to the group. You can usually search by name or email and select multiple people before confirming. Take a moment to double check you're adding the right users to the right group. This will help prevent accidental over-permissioning. If you're building the group first and plan to fill it out over time, it's fine to add just a few users now and more later. With your members selected, choose the correct product or space permissions. This is where groups really shine. For product level access, confirm the group can use the relevant Atlassian product and set the appropriate roles. For space level permissions in Confluence, assign what the group should be able to do, such as view, add, or edit, based on the principle of least privilege. Only give what's necessary for their work. Finally, save the group and confirm the members were added. You should see the group listed with the users you selected, and the permissions you applied should be visible or summarized. If anything looks off, you can edit the group immediately. That's it. Your group is ready to streamline access and keep collaboration secure and efficient.